Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another advent calendar unboxing for 2022. In today's video we are going to unbox the Essence Happy Holidays advent calendar. Now this is probably the most budget-friendly makeup advent or beauty advent calendar because it retails for 25.95 euros and it has 24 products. Inside you will find 21 products in their original size, and also they do have 3 minis. So I think it's pretty awesome for a budget-friendly advent calendar. Now we all know that Essence is a great brand. They have a lot of amazing products, so I'm very excited to see what is it inside. I've also unboxed this advent calendar last year. Last year, if you well remember, it was coming in the chest or drawers, and it was a lot of struggle to pull all the drawers, especially because the numbers were randomly assigned. So this year we have like a book, so I absolutely love the design. It's not very heavy, so yeah, if you are interested to see what is it inside, just keep on watching. And if you want to see my previous advent calendar, I have just unboxed this week also the Maybelline advent calendar, which I thought it's amazing. I'm also wearing a few of those products on my face today, and if you stay tuned, by the end of the video I'm going to let you know which are those products and what do I think about them. So without any other further ado, let's just go to the unboxing. So I'm going to go straight to day number 1, and I'm also prepared with my trusty cuticle pusher. We have a message behind each door. Oh hey, happy to spend the next 24 days with you. On day number 1 we are starting with a sweet almond oil and shea butter. I think this is a lipstick. Oh, you have a cute heart in the middle, and yes, this is mostly like a lip balm. I'm currently using the lip balm that I received last year in Essence advent calendar. It also has a nice scent, not very strong. Day number 2, so the message behind door number 2 is matte with love. We have a color correcting mattifying powder. How cute is that? Oh my god, you guys, you see all those marble shades. I even didn't know they have this. Probably it's new, and when you swatch it, it is like a whitish, more like a white shade, so it's not colored. Moving to day number 3. Day number 3, they like to make us run, so it's here. And it's something long, which makes me believe it's a file or maybe a brush. I didn't pick on the back of the drawer, so I don't like to see spoilers. I haven't seen any unboxing, so I'm as new as you while watching this video. Yes, and I was right, we have a Essence, of course, eyeshadow shader brush. So look at the beautiful packaging. I hope it's not upside down. Of course it is. Yeah, so it is looking like this. And the message behind this door is brushing around the Xmas tree. It's absolutely beautiful. I have a few brushes from last year unboxing which my daughter claimed, so I think she will also claim this brush. Look at the pretty handle. I don't know what's happening with my camera. I probably did something and it's not focusing like it used to do before, so bear with me please. Now on to day number 4. On day number 4 we have a beautiful nail polish, and here is written "Oh Jingle Nails." It has some shimmer gold to it. I'm going to open it to show you the brush. I used to love, and I had a big collection from Essence, but now, as I mentioned, I am heading towards having more gels around me. Day number 5, brows speak louder than words. We have a actual brow product, so I'm very excited for this. It looks like it's a wax, so it's not a shaping brow pencil like this one. I have this one from Benefit, and I'm using almost every day this one to shape my brows after I apply liner just to give it a bit of a shape, but this is like a wax, so I'm very excited. It's brow wax pen indeed. So this looks like a full size. Moving on, day number 6, going back to the first page. Come on, Essence. Why are you doing this? To make it more fun. So day number 6 is something big. An eye patch a day keeps sleepy eyes away. This is so sweet. And we have a pair of eye patches. So, of course, they are upside down. Star-shaped hydrogel eye patches with wake-up effect, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So this is the shape. Actually, yeah, you can tell it from... So if I will not forget, I'm going to use those in month of December. I will keep them aside and use them. They are so cute. I'm loving them. I love cute, funny things. Day number 7 now. And the message behind the drawer or the door is this one. And we have a pair of nail stickers, which are very cool and fun for winter. We have some stars, some reindeer horns, there's even presents, so all kind of stuff that you can stick on your manicure. Day number 8, it's down here, and we have a lip balm. Oh, this is a overnight lip mask. It has a light purple packaging and it smells delicious. It smells really nice. The next day, day number 9, something long. It might be another brush. Ooh, and we have a mascara. So this is a limited edition of the Crazy Volume Mascara. I think I already have one of these. I have 2 boxes full with all my used up mascara and not only my makeup. So I'm going to dig for this mascara and show you the brush. Day number 10, it's actually next. The message behind it: have yourself a mani, and you have a set of wooden cuticle pushers. Those are very useful for pushing up your cuticle, or also you can use this to clean up your manicure when you are going over the nail. So yeah, I find those useful. Day number 11, it's a very beautiful blush with some snowflakes and stars, and it's in the shade, doesn't say the shade, so it's just a blush with highlighter 2-in-1. I have something similar, just the color is different. We received last year in the Essence advent calendar, so if I fail to mention, I'm going to link that video here on the card, up on the card, and down below on my description box to check and compare if you want so. Day number 12, and the message behind this: jingle blend, jingle blend, jingle blend it out. And this is the brush. It's angled eyeshadow blender brush. So those brushes are also good for travel. We have reached the half of the advent calendar. Day number 13, it's on the corner up here. The message is: another day, another nail polish. So this is a clear nail polish or a clear top coat, base coat. Day number 14, it's a smaller square. I assume it could be an eyeshadow. No, she's not right. So the message is: there is some Xmas magic in the hair. We have actually 2 hair scrunches, so you can even share it with your bestie. Essence braided hair ties. Now I don't use those anymore. I use my silk, but you can even use those as a bracelet if you want to. They would make a funny, beautiful bracelet. Day number 15, have a cherry glossy day, darling. This is a juicy bomb shiny lip gloss. Let's open it up. Smells like you would eat it. Day number 16, those are You Look Magnificent Beauty, and those are mattifying sheets, Essence mattifying oil control paper, and we have 30 sheets, so quite good size. Very happy about those. I can definitely throw them in my purse. Day number 17 now. Together through thick and thin. It's a double-sided sharpener. I have another one from Essence, which I'm currently using. Very useful. So now I have another one. I think I need to toss this because I have it from a very long time and it's not so sharpy, and it's double-ended. So you have for your thicker crayons and also for your regular size eye and lip crayons. Day number 18. It's another square in the middle. Let it shine, it's Christmas time. We have a Xmas highlighter, a full size. Also very nice packaging. We have a little snowflake here, not a little, a big snowflake here, and the actual highlighter. Alright, day number 19. A little surprise for smoky eyes. This is the Essence Kajal Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Black. Day number 20. Life fits better with hand cream. Moisturizing hand cream. 25 milliliters, very good size to throw it in your purse for the winter cold, freezing days. Day number 21. It took me a while to find it. The only complaint that I have with the packaging is that the actual drawers are not cut properly, so if you just want to pull it with your hand, you will rip it. So since I want to see the message behind, I try to open it carefully with the cuticle pusher. So here is written, get them sugar coated. So this is pocket nail polish. Yeah, so it's a baby pink or lavender pink, I would say. Day number 22 now. Let's ring along to Xmas song. Another brush. This is a eyeliner brush and different packaging. Day number 23. File and Smile Beauty. A nail file. Very beautiful, colorful nail file. And we are finally to the day number 24, which is on the same sleeve. The message behind it, have yourself a glorious Xmas. Oh, this is the most beautiful lipstick I ever seen. Let's watch it here. So it's like a lip balm, but it's absolutely fabulous. And this is the actual packaging, gold with clear cap. So I'm definitely excited for this. I never had something like this in my collection, and for sure it will make a nice, very nice addition. There you have it. This is the Essence Advent Calendar for 2022. Now let me know what do you think about this calendar, guys. My personal opinion is that I am a bit let down. I feel that the products are exciting, but I don't know. We only got one mascara. There is enough diversity, but it could have been better. So from me, this advent calendar gets only 7 out of 10 rating. I would love to hear what you think about this advent calendar. And because I have promised that I'm going to show what I'm wearing from the Maybelline advent calendar I just unboxed. Today I'm wearing this mascara, which is just an okay mascara. I like the fact that it's not clumpy but doesn't offer too much volume, just a little bit of length. Also I'm wearing this lip crayon, and on my outer V I have used this teal tattoo liner. I absolutely love it. I didn't want to use black because I wanted to see the mascara, how it pops up. And just as a side note, the eyeshadow palette that I'm wearing is this one by Jeffree, the Beauty Killer eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely stunning. But yeah, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Have a beautiful day and stay tuned for more unboxings, makeup tutorials and more, just right here on Julia's B Beauty channel. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Bye guys!